In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to make an e-commerce website in Odoo from scratch, even if you're a complete beginner. Odoo is a powerful all-in-one business platform, and its website builder makes creating an e-commerce site surprisingly simple. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to log in, set up the website builder, and start creating pages for your online store. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Odoo and software tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Odoo Login, or go directly to odoo.com. On the Odoo homepage, click on the Login option. This will take you to the Odoo Sign-In page. Here, click on Sign In and log in using your Odoo account credentials. If you don't already have an account, you can quickly create one for free before continuing. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main Odoo dashboard. From here, click on Apps. This is where all Odoo applications are listed, including accounting, CRM, inventory, and most importantly for us, the website builder. Scroll through the apps and click on Website Builder. This is the tool we'll use to create our e-commerce website. After selecting Website Builder, click on Start Now. Odoo offers a free trial, so you can begin without entering payment details. On the next screen, click Start Now again to continue. Odoo may guide you through a short setup process. When prompted, choose the option to skip and start from scratch. This gives you full control to design your e-commerce website exactly how you want. Now you'll be taken to your new website backend. This is where you can manage pages, design layouts, and add content. To begin creating your site structure, click on New, then select Create a New Page. This allows you to add a fresh page to your website, which can later be used for your homepage, shop page, or product landing pages. Next, click on the Highlight section on the page. This is where you can add key content that visitors will see first. Type in your highlight text, such as a headline or promotional message that describes your e-commerce business. Once you're happy with the text, click on Create to apply it to the page. At this point, your e-commerce website foundation is ready. From here, you can continue customizing your design, add products, set up payment methods, and configure shipping options using Odoo's e-commerce features. The website builder lets you drag and drop elements, making it easy to design a professional-looking store without coding. That's how you make an e-commerce website in Odoo step by step. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.